Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped for 2020. It's going to show you the songs that you listened to the most on Spotify in 2020 and the songs that were just listened to by everybody on Spotify in 2020. All you have to do is go to this website, 2020.byspotify.com. This is actually a Spotify website, and all you have to do right here is press log in to see your 2020 Wrapped. Press that and it should automatically open up Spotify here, and right on top of your page you'll see your 2020 Wrapped, and then underneath that you'll see the top tracks for 2020. This is just for everybody on Spotify, top podcast, best of 2020. And if you don't see this section that says your 2020 Wrapped, it just means you haven't had Spotify long enough. So if you haven't had Spotify long enough and you've updated your app and you still don't see this, you won't be able to get this because your app is just not old enough for Spotify to know exactly what you did in 2020. So to see any of these, you could jump in it. Your top songs of 2020, I just click that and I could see the whole playlist here. And same thing with any of these other ones. I could go ahead and press the three dots on top and share it if I want to. I could share it on a message or Instagram stories, Facebook, or copy the link here. And it's that simple to see Spotify 2020 Wrapped on your Spotify app. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.